Today we're going over 5 dropshipping stores. We're going to go over the good ones, we're going to go over the bad ones, and we're going to see exactly why they're not getting any sales. These are 5 of my students' stores that may or may not be so good. I know the title is pretty brutal, but today we're going straight into these stores and we're going to figure out what they can do to 10x their sales. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay to the end of the video. The last website that I'm about to review is pretty wild. Let's take a look. We have an amazing Discord chat. This group has been growing like crazy since we've been posting on YouTube. And I mean, just look at this. People have been getting some serious sales. Let's look at the results section inside the Discord. I mean, just look at this. $231 this week alone. $51 on one single order. And then he got another one, $72. Of course, big milestone for me. I finally hit on one of my businesses $1 million so far. It's been a crazy dream. I literally had $2,000 in my bank account 5 years ago, and I never looked back since then. And I thank you guys for all my success because you guys keep pushing me every single day to do better. Here's another student, $131 in a single order, $1,000 in sales. She also just started with our program. People are crushing it. I'm going to leave the link. Look at this guy, $350,000. I'm going to leave the link in the description below if you want to join. But all these students that are getting some serious sales, almost every single one of them are in my paid program. If you want more information, you want to apply for that, then go to samjacobs.org/training, okay? Or just go to samjacobs.org. And I created a little training over here on how to go from nothing to $5,000 a day, whatever you want, $1,000, $2,000, an extra $300 a day with Ecom. I broke it all down in this training. You definitely want to watch it. And then if you want to learn from me personally, at the end of this video, you can schedule a call with myself or one of my team members to further talk. Anyways, this video, we're going over a few websites that my students have been posting inside the Discord, okay? We're going to go through exactly the good ones, the bad ones. I know this title said we're reviewing bad ones, but come on, my students are going to be beasts. We created 3 millionaires so far for my programs. And hey, you know, everyone starts somewhere. So yeah, here we go. Okay. I just want to make sure that everyone avoids these mistakes and you learn from these stores. Okay. If your stores look anything like this, you get to learn and see exactly what I told them to fix it to get to a really successful looking store. Okay. The first store on this list is this Gel Blaster. Now, this store is not done yet correctly. This student just started literally this week, so this is his first rough draft. I wouldn't blame him. Great stuff so far. I mean, at least he got a Shopify store up. A lot of you guys, I wouldn't say you guys because my subscribers are beasts, but most people that subscribe to other channels, you know, they just procrastinate, never open a Shopify store regardless. So hey, if you don't want to be a procrastinator, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But I told him a few things, okay? We're going to go through things each step at a time, okay? Number 1, I told him, change the header to holiday flash sale, 50% off today only instead of welcome to our store. As you can see on the top, it says welcome to our store. I told him switch that, okay? Because you want them to have urgency. You want to make it seem like a really good deal today only. Number 2, I told him make the title shorter and more branded. You can call it like Global Blasters Original, right? You want to, you know, take out, if you have a long title, you got to make it shorter, make it super straight to the point, and make it branded. That's super important. Number 3, I told him colors. There's too many options. Take out a bunch of them and name the colors cooler, right? For example, he can make one of the colors, which, does he have any green ones over here? Let's see, green. I don't see any green ones, but if he had a green one, or even like this, right? He said black skeleton, call it the skeleton or a skeleton, right? You want to make it look super cool and branded. I told him to change all these colors and make them branded. Instead of putting pink, call it the pink dragon, something like that, you know? So just make it a really cool vibe for the store. Number 4, I told him to take out ships from. You see here it says ships from. It's just too many options here, okay? And we're going to keep going. You guys are going to learn a lot. Please make sure you take notes. Number 5, fix up description and go to your competitors by looking them up on Google, type in Gel Blasters and get ideas from them. You need to have headlines in short 2 to 3 paragraph sentences, then follow that by a GIF. You also want to use bullet points, okay? As you can see, his description is not that great, okay? Just a lot of things going on over here. I told him clean it up, and that's exactly what he's going to do. He's going to put a little bit of a header. He's going to put a short description, no more than 2 to 3 sentences. There's a lot of text here without any images or GIFs. I do suggest you always go to your competition on Google and to study them. Okay. Here's a few more things that I told him, and I want to move to the next website. I told him there's a blank image on the bottom and a bunch of sections not filled up. Remove them, add reviews, skip the cart, go straight to the checkout. So you can see on the bottom, first of all, there's no reviews. There's this empty picture. He's got a review. And then when he clicks add to cart, you see there's a pop-up here. I want it to go straight to the cart or go straight to the checkout. That's very important. A few other things I told him is to make sure that he has a logo, of course. I don't like that he has buy with Google Pay. Most people don't usually use Google Pay. I suggest you use Apple Pay, and that is it. Moving on to website number 2. This website is a lot cleaner. This is more of an advanced student. This is probably his second website that he's done, so great job on this one. I told him very few things that he has to change up. I would suggest he makes it a one product store. I would suggest he changes the header and makes it 50% off today only. So, like I said, I liked one product stores. I don't like when it's called like iShop or something that has to do with a general store. If he's selling pet stuff, he should do something with pet. And I use a certain website. I'm always dropping the gems. I use a website called namelix.com. Okay. Namelix.com is a great website that you can find store names. For example, you can literally type in dog. Okay. And you can just press generate. And just like that, there's all these store that you can literally, like all these logos and names that you can use for your store. So that's what I told him with this store. Again, I would also take out the Google Pay, and also the price doesn't make sense to me. It seems too cheap. I told him to up the price because he's probably getting it for $10, so he should be selling it for $29.99. Right? That's something that's very, very important. Okay, let's keep moving on to another store here. Okay, and this one was probably one of the most amazing stores I've seen, and we actually built him this store. So yeah, we do that for our students. For my one-on-one VIP students, we build them stores. As you can see, our stores look fantastic. I mean, this is a perfect store. Overall, looks really, really good. Let's go to I think this is a shop. Yeah, this shop. The only thing I told him to add is reviews, which he's missing, but everything else he looks like he has. And overall, just a gorgeous, gorgeous looking store. I mean, he's got the images, you got the GIFs, you got the, nice description. I really, really like this, overall. Okay. Let's move up a little bit over here. Let's go to the LoveBear store. Okay. This one was pretty good. I liked it. I definitely want to see, let's see, more of a description because he only had like one little thing here. I usually like when people have a longer description. The price is really good. I don't know what he's getting it for, so definitely if you're getting it for $15, you want to up it to like $30, $40, which is going to be huge. Again, this is another great website overall. I like this, a little cute. I would have a logo here, and I like how he puts this in the header to make it very, very compelling. So that's really good. But overall, the store is really good. They have the reviews. I would suggest you change up the reviews a little bit to make it more like longer. But I like it. They have some really, really good reviews in here that people can look at and help them make the decision to buy from their store. Right now, that is so far 4 stores, and moving up to the last store. And this store definitely needs some work. Let's take a look at this one. And by the way, if you're my student, you're watching this, again, I hope that you forgive me if I am ripping your store apart. But with my students, one thing that I don't do is give them fluff. There's a lot of dropshippers out there that, they give a lot of fluff to their students, and they tell them, oh yeah, it looks nice, whatever. I don't do that because I want my students to get results. If you guys don't know already, Ecom Operations University, my step-by-step program, created 3 millionaire students to date. And I want to make another 2 millionaire students in 2023. Who knows, maybe I can even make another 7, which would be 10 millionaire students so far. That'd be insane. But if I can do that, that would mean the world to me. I mean, we have so much results coming out of the program. I just want to create really, really successful students. And it all starts one at a time. So that's exciting. By the way, if you want to apply for any of my programs, go to the training in the description and you can book a call with me after you watch the training. Now, this store, overall, it looks good. I definitely would recommend they have some sort of logo. And then, again, I would suggest they change the header to something like 50% off today only, flash holiday sale, something like that. Again, remove the ships from United States. And then right off the bat, when I come to the store, I don't really know what it does. I see the pictures, but I like GIFs in the description. So add the GIFs in the description there. Maybe put a few bullet points. I like how you put no more dirty screens, which is great. It's like it captures people's attention. I like how you said a free shipping option will be present until December 26th. Won't last forever. Get it now. I would actually change this date and kind of do it earlier so people feel more urgency to buy. Let's look at the reviews. The reviews are pretty good. Okay, I would show the product more in action. It looks good. It just shows the product page, but it doesn't show how it's solving a problem, if that makes sense. So I would definitely recommend when you guys are building your product page to go ahead and show how it can make a change in that person's life or how it can help that person, and not just showcase the product, right? Showcase the benefits, how it will help that person in any way, which shape or form, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know your opinions in the comments below. If you want me to review your website, join our Discord. Right now, I only have this section open up for the students. The store reviews is only for students. So if you're a gold member, you are in our program. But you could still join, guys. We have a free chat for anyone who does want to join, and then get into the program later. Once you are in the program, you can get access to all these different channels. We have cheat sheets. We have free themes. We give out private agents. We give you a lot. So definitely recommend you look into our programs if you're interested about making money online and leveling up your game in 2023. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.